The following is a presentation of the MantaroBot. This video is best viewed in full screen 1080p mode. This is the MantaroBot, a telepresence robot that works with Skype. The MantaroBot is equipped with a high-definition camera mounted on a pan and tilt mechanism. A 14-inch LCD display is provided to allow the person controlling the MantaroBot to be seen. This is important as it creates the true telepresence experience for people interacting with the MantaroBot. It can also be used to share documents or pictures on the screen to aid in a discussion. The MantaroBot also has an adjustable mast that allows the camera and display to be adjusted to a convenient height. Behind the display are two speakers that allow the person that is controlling the MantaroBot to be heard. A microphone is located just beneath the display. This arrangement of microphone, speakers, camera, and video screen creates a headspace that mimics talking to a person. A netbook computer is housed at a convenient level for ease of access. The netbook runs Skype and the MantaroBot robot application. A door can be opened to gain access to the computer. This allows for easy configuration, such as setting username and passwords for those with permission to control the MantaroBot. The MantaroBot is clad in a rugged ABS plastic skin. The MantaroBot is equipped with two drive wheels on the front, two casters at the rear, and infrared sensors around the base of the MantaroBot to help in avoiding obstacles. The MantaroBot also has two pins in the front of the base to connect to an optional charging docking station. Now, let's take a look at using and controlling the MantaroBot. The MantaroBot is controlled by a plug-in software application that works with Skype. To connect to the MantaroBot, start Skype and then start the MantaroBot controller application. The same controller can control multiple MantaroBots. Select which MantaroBot you want to drive from the contact list and enter your username and password to access the MantaroBot. If you want to make any changes to your user preferences, please do so before signing in to the MantaroBot. You can access the appropriate menu by clicking on Options, then Settings inside the controller application. Now, let's click on the Sign In button and the MantaroBot will place a Skype call to this PC. Once we answer the call, you will see video from the MantaroBot camera. You will also see the MantaroBot controller application robot interface. First, let's review the layout of the controller application. On the left side of the control application is a drive control pad that controls the movement of the MantaroBot. The center area has camera control buttons and sliders allowing easy motion of the camera. There are also memory buttons that can be programmed with your favorite camera positions. On the right side of the controller application, it has a call disconnect button and an options button. At the bottom is a status bar displaying link quality in the form of a round-trip delay measurement, a battery status indicator, and a Wi-Fi meter indicating the MantaroBot's network quality. Now that we've reviewed the layout of the controller, let's take a closer look at controlling the camera. The MantaroBot controller application allows control of the MantaroBot camera through the use of direction buttons, sliders, and memory buttons. Clicking on a particular direction button will cause the camera to move a step in that direction. Alternatively, you can move the camera by moving the sliders. The center button causes the camera to face forward. The camera can also be moved by pressing keys on the keyboard: A for left, D for right, S for down, W for up, and C for center. Finally, the camera can be moved to preset locations by pressing the memory buttons. The memory buttons are also mapped to the 1, 2, and 3 keys of the keyboard. This is useful for moving the camera while the MantaroBot is moving. Now, let's drive the MantaroBot using the drive control pad. Clicking on the pad causes the cursor to jump to the center stopped position. Holding down the left mouse key and dragging the mouse forward causes the MantaroBot to move forward. Dragging the cursor right will cause forward right motion. The more the cursor is moved from the center to the right or left, the sharper the turn will be. Let's drive the MantaroBot around some more as we watch video from the controller's point of view as well as an actual video of the MantaroBot. While driving the MantaroBot around, let's discuss the MantaroBot's 4 infrared sensors used for obstacle detection. When the MantaroBot nears an object or a wall to the left, right, or rear, a white area will appear on the control pad in the direction of the object. When the MantaroBot approaches an object or a wall in front, A red area will appear and the MantaroBot will reduce its speed. This helps reduce high-speed collisions. Before we conclude our introduction to the MantaroBot, let's drive the MantaroBot back to its docking station for recharging. As we get close to the docking station, you'll see a red area appear in the drive control pad, indicating an obstacle has been detected in the front. To schedule a test drive or purchase a MantaroBot, please contact Mantaro. Thank you.